The United States has paused immigrant visa processing worldwide. And this is not a pause limited to one country or one category of applicants. People who already had visa interviews scheduled at US embassies and consulates are being told that their appointments have been postponed with no new dates announced yet. So why has Washington done this? And what does it mean for people trying to move to the US permanently? Well, according to the Financial Times, the State Department has halted immigrant visa processing globally to give US consular officers additional training. The focus of that training is particularly important. Officers are being trained to assess whether visa applications could become a public charge, essentially whether they are likely to depend on US government assistance after entering the country. The State Department says the goal is to make these checks more thorough and to ensure that officers apply the rules consistently. A worldwide training program began this month, but currently there is no date for when normal appointment schedules will resume. Applicants whose interviews were already scheduled have reportedly received emails informing them that their appointments have been postponed. They will be given new dates and times later. An immigrant visa is fundamentally different from a temporary visa. These are people seeking to settle permanently in the United States, including people pursuing family-based immigration and other routes to take a green card. So postponing interviews can have a direct impact on families whose plans may already have been in motion for months or even years. And this latest move is part of a much bigger picture. Since Donald Trump began his second term in office, his administration has significantly tightened US immigration policy. There has been greater scrutiny of immigration applications, stronger vetting requirements, and tighter rules surrounding visas and green cards. The administration has also moved to largely end the US refugee resettlement program and expanded deportation operations, with ICE carrying out raids across the country. Now, the timing of this latest pause is also significant. It comes just days after a federal court blocked an earlier Trump administration policy targeting immigration applications from 75 lower-income countries. That policy was based in part on the administration's argument that applications from those countries could be more likely to require government assistance. Now, a US district judge ruled against that policy last week. The judge said it interfered with the authority and decision-making powers Congress had given to the consular officers in visa matters and cancelled both the policy and visa refusals made under it. Now, the court has given both sides until September 11 to propose how the remaining issues should be resolved. So the Trump administration is now moving forward with a different mechanism, training consular officers to apply public charge assessments more rigorously. And then there is the H-1B issue. This worldwide immigrant visa pause also comes just a day after another major immigration announcement from the Trump administration. The Department of Homeland Security has proposed a $103,000 fee for H-1B visa applications. The H-1B is a non-immigrant work visa used by US companies to employ skilled foreign workers. The proposal follows Donald Trump's earlier attempt to introduce a $100,000 H-1B fee. That earlier measure was put on hold by a court in June. The new proposal is now subject to a 30-day public comment period, after which the administration can decide whether to move ahead or not. Taken together, these moves show the broader direction of the US immigration policy under Donald Trump. Tighter screening, higher costs, and greater scrutiny of people seeking to enter or remain in the United States. Since last year, immigrant visa applicants have been required to process their applications in their country of citizenship. That can create complications for people who are legally living and working in the US, including people married to US citizens or those with American children. They may still have to return to their country of citizenship to complete immigrant visa processing. For applicants, that means one thing above all: the path to settling in America is becoming more uncertain and potentially more expensive, even for people who are already well into the immigration process.